Hey, what's going on? Nah, God has blown my mind. Like Friday was my last day of work because now I'm at the point where I need to really, lead, fulfill these leads, fulfill these orders. But no, my conversion rate right now, based on the leads, like literally, I have 100 leads in my pipeline right now. um, and my conversion rate is like 23% right now. And bro, I set a goal. We finally hit that 10K mark. Set a goal. We exceeded that. We damn near about to double it. I still got some hours left at this buff, and I got some calls left tonight. So, hey, God has blown my mind beyond what I could ever ask or imagine. So yeah, no, this thing is growing, and this freaking video is still going viral. It's going viral on Facebook right now because I posted it to Facebook. It's doing well everywhere, and I'm at the point where it's like there's so many people that I can't talk to all of them. So I'm like getting help now to filter all these leads and have these conversations for me because I just can't talk to everyone. Like it's too many people. And so now it's like I have someone helping me with my calls, and she's like, now I have a KPI now. Like I get her minimum 10 calls a week. She's able to transfer them to me, and we close 10 people a month, and this is repeatable. And 10 people a month, that's easy. We can do that. We can make that happen. I got to get it. Now I know, like, I get on 30 calls a month. I'm closing. We made the minimum of what we made this month, and we just keep repeating. So now we have those thresholds, and bro, God is amazing. Like, I'm excited. So, yeah, we here. We are here.